So here we have our amenities kit that I was given last night on my flight from Manchester to Dubai. And as I've had to re-go through security, I'm going to have to open it up and put it into a clear plastic bag to go back through to get on my flight to Kuala Lumpur. However, I thought we might as well take a look at this now because I'm going to give this away. So I'm going to give away some Bulgari body lotion. This is the men's kit, there was a different one, so there you go. We can all be metrosexual. I'm going to give away the eau de cologne. We've got a little deodorant. We've got some tissues. We've got some shaving foam. We've got some more Bulgari shaving balm. Not body lotion, shaving balm. We have a razor. Quite a nice disposable razor, actually. We have our toothbrush kit. It has to be. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it. So if anyone's opened one before, put a comment below. Let me know what it is. And we have a hairbrush. And if anyone wants to know if I've ever used that, just take a look at one of my pictures on Instagram. Anyway, all this, yours. I'll post it out to you. Just leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll pop this in the post to someone at random. So do subscribe to the channel. And that is the men's amenities kit on Emirates business class.